Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video we are talking about a StormX coin. What's the current price of StormX? What is the next move of StormX? What is the current price change goes in StormX? And this video I will show you friends. In this video I will show you friends. So keep watching this video till the end friends. And if you are new on my channel, so make sure to subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates friends. Now friends, if we talk about the current price of the StormX coin, so the current price is about 0.045419 USD dollar is the current price of StormX coin at this time friends. If we talk about the price change occurs in the last 1 hour and the last 1 day and the last 1 week, so as you can see here only the last 1 day change is negative, except of these all positive changes occur in a StormX coin friends. For more details, let's see the last 1 day price prediction chart, why the price is negative friends. Now friends, at this time as you can see here, that is the last 1 day price prediction chart analysis of the StormX coin. As you can see here, a very bad falls occurred in the previous last period, and after falling they again try to move upward friends, but unfortunately they again falls down at this time friends. Now I hope they are again struggle to move upward friends. Friends, if we talk about the price change occur in the last 1 day, so as you can see, negative 0.18% change occur in the StormX coin at this time friends, and the highest price in the StormX coin and the last 1 day is about 0.056219 USD dollar is the highest price of the StormX coin friends. Now friends, what's the next move of StormX coin? As I also told you that now they are again struggle to move upward friends, so that's mean that positive occurs in the StormX coin. So hope you like this video. If you like, so please kindly don't forget to subscribe, and I need your support, so kindly please subscribe now. Thank you so much for watching this video.